Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the perfect Halloween accessory that adds both charm and functionality to your festive decor. We're talking about the Anchor Glass Pumpkin Candy Jar, recognized as the best candy dish for Halloween. This delightful piece not only serves as an elegant candy holder but also doubles as a beautiful fall decoration that can elevate any autumn setting. At first glance, the Anchor Glass Pumpkin Candy Jar is an eye-catching piece. Its pumpkin shape is simply adorable, making it an excellent addition to your Halloween decorations. Crafted from high-quality glass, this jar is both sturdy and stylish, ensuring that it lasts for many seasons to come. Measuring 5 inches in length, 5 inches in width, and 7.5 inches in height, it has a generous capacity of 2 liters, perfect for holding a variety of treats. Whether you're hosting a Halloween party or just want to have something special for your family and friends, this jar is incredibly versatile. It looks fantastic on a dining table, adds character to your kitchen counter, or serves as a delightful centerpiece for your Halloween festivities. Imagine this beautiful jar filled with your favorite candies or homemade cookies. It's perfect for kids and adults alike, creating an inviting atmosphere that encourages everyone to indulge in a little treat. Plus, its lid ensures that your goodies stay fresh and safe from any sneaky hands. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply hand wash it with warm soapy water and dry it with a soft cloth. Its clear glass design makes it easy to see when it's time to refill, ensuring that your candy supply never runs low. And let's not forget the creative decorating possibilities. You can easily use this jar beyond Halloween. Fill it with seasonal items like ornaments during the winter holidays or fresh flowers in the spring. Its timeless design ensures it can fit seamlessly into any decor theme. In conclusion, the Anchor Glass Pumpkin Candy Jar is more than just a candy holder. It's a delightful piece that brings a touch of charm to your home. With its elegant pumpkin shape and sturdy construction, it stands out as the best candy dish for Halloween. Don't miss out on adding this beautiful piece to your collection this fall. Thank you for watching this review from Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and home decor tips. Happy Halloween, and see you next time.